how to turn on battery saver mode on your Moto G34 5G, G54 5G and G64 5G. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to battery. Now tap on the battery. Here you can see the battery saver option. Tap on it. Now toggle on the use battery saver mode. Turn on battery saver. When turn on battery saver, it will turn on dark theme, restrict background activity, and delay the notification. That will helpful to increase the battery life of your device. Tap on a turn on to turn on battery saver mode on your device. Now you can automatically turn on the dark mode on your phone. That will helpful to save battery life. You can set schedule. Tap on it. Here you can set schedule based on a percentage to automatically turn on battery saver mode. By default set 10%. You can select up to 20%. So when your battery reach to 20%, it will automatically turn on the battery saver mode on your device. That will helpful. You can also enable by default enable turn off at 90%. Battery saver turn off when battery reaches 90%. You can also toggle on or toggle off the option on your device. So here you can see when you activate battery saver mode, it will turn on the dark theme, limit or turns off background activity and some visual effect and some network connection. So this is quite useful feature to save the battery life or improve the battery life of your Motorola device. That's it. If you like it, share it.